Hello everyone. Let's start do our worksheet number 21, chapter Rural Livelihood. Everyone, please write down your name, class, section, and roll number. Now, first is MCQ. First question, a means of securing the necessity of life, known as option, catamaran, weeding, livelihood, transplanting. Yes, Kashvi?
Ma'am, the first answer is livelihood.
Thank you, Kashvi. Next, a sum of money that is borrowed, known as tax, loan, sowing, debit. Yes, everyone, please raise your hand. Yes, Janak?
Ma'am, the answer is loan.
Answer is loan. Next, farming on hill slopes is called harvesting, yielding, migrating, terrace farming. Arush?
Ma'am, terrace farming.
Answer is terrace farming. Next, chemical used for killing rats and insects, known as pesticides, weedicides, insecticides, or fungicides. Yes. Parnika?
Ma'am, pesticides.
Pesticides, weedicides, insecticides, and fungicides, not only pesticides. Yes. Move on next. B. State whether the following statement are true or false. Big farmers are also called landless farmers. Big farmers are also called landless farmers. Yes, RN Gautam. RN Gautam.
Ma'am, true.
Big farmer also called landless farmer. Big farmers के पास they don't have their own land. False. Catamaran is a small boat used for fishing. Zonair Khan. Yes, Zonair. Vedic Negi. Vedic answer.
Yeah, baby, it is true.
It is true. Transfer of plants from one field to another field is called weeding. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, true.
Transfer of plant from one field to another field is called weeding. It's called transplantation, not weeding. So it is false. Winnowing is a non-farming activity. Is winnowing a non-farming activity? Yes, any one of you? Yes, Vedic. Kashvi.
It's false.
It is false because winnowing is a part of farming activity to separate
ma'am.
the
Heavy grains from lighter grains or sand from beets.
yes, छानना जिसे कहते हैं. Next, fill the blanks using appropriate word. Agriculture laborer are also called as. Yes, Jhanak. Kashvi. Yes, Jhanak.
Ma'am, rural families.
Rural
Ma'am,
family.
the answer is
Anyone else? Most of the people in the village are dash. Small farmers. In India, most of the people in villages are agricultural laborer. In India, 80% of farmer are dash. Which kind of farmer? Small farmers. The act of cutting and gathering crop is called which? Vedic. Harvesting. The crop can also ruined if the dash does not bring rainfall. Can also be ruined if the monsoon does not bring enough rainfall. Which crop is grown in Kalpattu village in Tamil Nadu?
Ma'am, the crops grown in Kalpattu are coconut, paddy, cotton, and sugarcane.
Very good. Everyone write down the answer. Next, why do farmer migrate in particular season? Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, the answer is the farmers migrate in a particular season when they are not able to earn money throughout the year, forces people in many rural areas to travel long distance in search of work.
So they find better job because that time they don't have work on farm or agriculture fields. So that is why they move toward the cities. Yes. Next, when we say that the farmer are caught in debt, because poor farmer are bound to take loan from for agriculture purpose and for other, when they not able to pay the pay the back the loan, so the large loan became so large, then no matter what they earn, they are unable to repay, and this is when we say they are caught in debt. During which time do fish breed?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, at the rainy season, ma'am, fish breeds.
Monsoon season, yes. Now, short answer type question. Who is an agricultural laborer? How is he different from a farmer? Agricultural labor, those work on other field.
Ma'am, can I tell?
They do variety of work in the field like preparing the field, land, sowing, weeding, harvesting of crop. So these are the workers, those work on other land. They don't have their own land. So in this way, they work on other field, which they paid less, very less, approximately 40 rupees per day. So in this sense, they are different from farmers. What operation are involved in working on farms? Operation like preparing the land, winnowing, weeding, sowing, harvesting. Give me the answer.
The other activities performed by the village people apart from farming are making baskets, utensils, pots, bricks, bullock carts, etc.
Yes. Next question, long answer type question. What is tsunami? How does it affect the daily life of fishermen? So, yes. What is a tsunami? Tsunami is a harbor wave that causes great destruction, huge waves, and ruin the life of the fisher frog. It also destroys their habitats. During the recent tsunami, coastal regions are completely devastated. The fishing family lost their habitat and livelihood. So I hope that everyone has completed their worksheet.